orange shirt. The lady wearing the orange shirt.
Just up on the table. You go. Happy Lily. Nice one. Alright, got your eggs now. You can take home the chocolates. Thank you very much. Over this side, these ones are yours. I kept them safe for you so they didn't melt. Thank you very much.
Gian, you got Minecraft sword? Gian, give me your hat. Give me your hat. Come here. Give me your hat. Okay, go inside. Hi guys. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Fairfield Showground, isang Easter show dito sa malapit lang sa Maryland sa Bisdak. Nandun si Gian. Gian, be careful, okay? Have fun, jump high. Nandito kami ngayon sa Fairfield Showground, Easter show.
Very important.
Hello, hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. So yun mga, maraming rides dito mga bisa, at gusto namin dito mga bisa kahit kumpara doon sa kahapon pumunta kami sa Sydney Olympic Park, nanood kami ng basketball noon ni Kai Soto. Mahal kasi doon mga bisa, $44 yung ticket. Dito $2 lang yung entrance, and then $2 lang yung entrance, and then unlimited ride na yung sa mga bata. Kailangan mo lang bumili ng $30 na ticket. So napakalaki nito mga bisa ko. Mamaya papunta kami doon, mayroong food court. Finish. So, let's find another ride. Gian, enjoy. Go inside there, then you go out here on this side. Gian, careful, enjoy. Go up. Wala ka diya. Yun, so ano yan, maganda yan makabisa kasi doon siya lalabas. Init. Lumabas na. Napaka-enjoy. Come. Sobrang enjoy to para sa mga bata, mga kabisda kasi ano yan, mahaba yan dun sa likod. Para siyang ano ba, parang come here Dodong. Come. Para siyang Ninja Warriors mga kabisdak, yung TV show. Oops, careful. You want to try one more time? Or enough?
Enough. Yeah, I want to catch a dog.
Okay, catch a dog. That one, he likes this one. Let's catch a dog. Naghanap ko pa. Ibig duhar ka dak bagi puno. Get more. You get all of that. You get as much as you can. You get more. Okay, you get your prize. Kanang kao babe na Australia babe. Kanang kao ang Australia. That one, that hat, yeah. What prize you got? Wow, Australia map. Alright.
Yeah, that's really good.
But Mario, all you do is hold up there like gallop trees on the leg.
Okay, shoot dun. Okay? Shoot so that you'll get a prize. You got a prize.
Well, Mario's going to choose one of these.
Oh, 2. You got 2 Dudong. How many can he get?
Just one.
Oh, 1, alright. Okay, come on, let's get it done. Okay, bye-bye. Fall in line Dudong. Over there. Taas. We're gonna eat first. Face painting. Oh, there's a bubble. Here, come watch here. Come. Let's watch the bubble man. Meron din mga nagbebenta ng mga delicacies dito mga bisdak, oh. Tulad nito, sili, mga chili sauce. Ito, let's eat first. Let's eat first. Meron mga damit-damit.
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Pero dito babe, sa unahan babe na ay mga nagbenta pa dito. Kato na ay dun tayo mga bisdak. Potato corner ba? Potato corner na truck. Ano na? You want to buy one? $10 per drink something.
36?
I'll try one. Wow, looks nice. Huh? Oh. May cheese ba? I want to eat kebab. Hi. Okay, go have a look. Have a look in there. Walay kebab no? Walay namin lagi kebab. Let's find a table. Let's find a table. Wala lang chair. That one babe. Yeah, where? We use a table. Meron sanang kebab dun mga bisa, so hindi sila tumatanggap ng card, cash lang. So dito na lang kami bibili. Pwede pizza na lang po rin, no? Para mas makatipid na, no? Isa ka pizza. Pizza. Ito na lang yung bibilihin pala natin mga kabisdak. Hi. 2 crab stick. 2. And then I want 1 original. And then 2 corn dog. Corn dog. Okay. Yeah, pork sausage. And then, do you have a drinks? Yeah. How much is your Coke? 3? 2. Yeah, 2. And then, what else? Bili pa tayo mga bisdak kasi wala pa kaming lunch ni Ami. And also auntie, 2 prawns. This one, 2. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Can I pay card?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Which one? Mga tatay extra na? On the Angry Bird? Show me how you throw. Okay, come on, let's try. Let's try. How much, bro? How much for him?
$5 for 2 shots.
Alright, okay, $5.
Got enough 1 5 to win, yeah?
Okay, you can do it.
Was that card or cash?
Card. But later, I'll pay later, so that maybe a lot more. Oh, careful! One more try, bro. Two, another 10. Make it 10. Okay, slowly.
5 to win.
Ano mo dyan? You miss it. How about daddy? We both miss. How many obstacles?
51.
51. Come on, okay. Let's find the bump car. Let's gonna ride the bump car.
Tell me, and my legs are flying up climbing.
Padang gikapoy yung taon siya. Pwede mo sa egg niya mapapicture. Dinosaur Adventure Park. Itlog ng dinosaur mga kabisdak. Ajian, look, there's a dinosaur. Be careful, they're gonna bite you. They're gonna bite you, Gian. Gian! Hello! Gian, look up here!
Welcome to a human.
Snake.
When you stand
That's a
still,
snake.
you suddenly just become a rock or a tree. You're no threat to the snake. But if you start moving, you're a large predator, then he probably thinks you're going to try and kill him. He might bite you and spite you. The snake can follow you across a paddock. You'd have to tie a rope around the snake's head. You have to hang on the end of the rope. As you run, you drag behind you like a toy.
The snake is over.
All you got to do is take 2 steps to the snake and you're gone. 2 steps.
Di pa lang kakaigom, mawawan ba? You want to try that, Gian? Yeah.
Last one. Here we are. Winner. We got another winner.
Kaya mga bata ka ba? Ah, sakit sa likod ay. Sakit ang likod. Come on. Is Mama a good driver, Gian? Gian, maybe Mama can drive going back home. You want Mama to drive going back home?
No!
Ibang. Grabe, sakit ka sa lawas ba? Pasila ka na yan. $7. I want the lemonade. Which one you like? Strawberry? 1 strawberry and 1 lemonade. Yeah. Okay, strawberry. You want strawberry?
Thank you.
Okay.
I want strawberry. I want
You like strawberry? Okay. Strawberry first. Thank you.
Oh, purchase.
Yep. So uwi na kami mga kabisdak. Salamat ulit, no? Yummy? You like it? This one is also yummy.
It looks like pie.
So salamat ulit mga kabisdak kung maabot ka hanggang sa dulo ng video na to. At pasensya na kung...
It looks like your friend mom.
Pasensya lang yung kung very simple yung vlog namin ngayon kasi gusto ko like capture yung moments talaga, no? Na kasama namin si Gian. So see you sa next vlog mga kabisdak. Bye-bye! You try. Ano? Iwan sa ubo. That's for you. Gimana?